In this lesson we're going to start putting windows into our design. In the previous lesson we've added a window to the catalogue. Now all we have to do is to select windows off the tab up the top and then go and start selecting the type of window we want. So what we might do is we might just stick with a sliding window, 1200 high, and I want the 1218s to go into the bedroom. So basically similar to a door. If I pick that 1218 and now move it over the wall, you can see it'll just sort of hover, sense the wall and start putting it in. Doesn't matter whether it's an internal wall or an external wall, it'll find the wall where it will fit and it will try and lock it in. Okay, so similar to the doors, I've also got the right click mouse option where I can enter an insertion offset, which will allow me to type in the distance from a given corner, or I can center on the wall. So I'm going to center on the wall, then move over my bedroom where I want it and it will automatically click. So that's one bedroom. Our second bedroom here, it will continue to go into the center of the rooms until I go and select another window, or whether I right click and select the insertion offset option. So I want that to be in the center of that bedroom, and I want it to be in the center of that bedroom, and then I'll come over here and I might say, okay, I'll go to my 1800 high windows and grab an 1818, and I want to put that in the center of the master bedroom here. Okay, and while we're at it, we'll put that into the dining room, put it into the front of the lounge area here, and that's starting to look okay. So we've got our WC in our bathroom up there. So what we'll come to do is we'll go and say, okay, we want an 0906 into the WC. So I'll select that window, right click, center it in the wall, whack it into there, and I want an 0912 in the middle of the bathroom. So I want that centered in that wall there. Alright. In the lounge area here, in the living area, what we might do is put two other smaller windows. So let's say we want to go up and grab a louver revealed window, and I want an 1806. Okay, so basically now what I want to do is I want to put one in that side of the wall and one in that side of the wall. So that'll allow me to use this enter insertion offset. And what I want to do is I want it 200 from each corner. So I select that, and then basically come in close, and there's 200 from that corner. Pick your mouse and move it down to this end, and 200 from that corner. Alrighty. Now what I also want to do is I want to put, I've got the ensuite here, so I'll come up to the sliding revealed, and I want a let's see, an 0912 again, and I might sort of go and put that center in the wall for the time being. We might sort of play around with that ensuite when we get into the ensuite and see how it ends up. Now in this dining room area, what I want to do is I want to put a fixed window in there. So basically a fixed window, an 0606, and basically center that on the wall. Alright, so right click and finish, just zoom out and just check each room, just make sure you've got windows in every room. It's not hard to miss. So I just sort of run my eye over the building and see if everything's okay. It is, and the windows are all in. Alright, fairly simple. Thank you very much. That's all for this lesson.